Hello everyone, welcome aboard. It's Simon here from the Wells Wall Street. Sorry, this picture is absolutely phenomenal. It's not actually a picture, I believe it's an NFT. And this is what we're going to be talking about today, is ENJIN. So ENJ on the exchanges if you are looking for it. Binance in particular is where I got mine from a while back. We're going to go into the chart, guys, but first of all, I just want to make it clear that I will be doing an ENJIN call, a video in the next few days for you guys that don't know much about it, but it's very much driven around NFTs and as well gaming, to be fair, in the near future. So we will go into all of that in that video. But for today, we are just going to be doing a very brief overview on the chart and the analysis of it, because we have seen some good movement in the last few days after the small correction that we had quite recently. ENJIN actually is not quite yet near at all its previous all-time high, which was actually, well, there's arguments to say it's $3.99, but I'm going to say $4 just for fun. So we're not far off really, in the sense that we're almost clawing back halfway to that point. So it's going to be really interesting as we develop over the next month or two as we get towards the end of this year. So there's not been some massive announcements as such recently, other than a few NFT drops within CoinGecko and a few other places. But really mainly it's around the anticipation of the general growth of the market, and also as NFTs continue to be a massive driver in the crypto sphere this year for sure, and that will continue to occur with the likes of ENJIN, ENJ as we move forward. And like I said, we'll go through the tokenomics, we'll go through the blockchain and everything ENJIN over the next few days for sure in that intro video. But I just wanted to bring attention some elements here to the chart. We have seen a few good positive growths in volume the last few days. The RSI is still tracking quite well. I'd say it was just at the beginning of the third quarter in terms of 0 to 100. So I would be suggesting that there's still room in the tank for this to be moving upwards and potentially testing, potentially pushing for that $2 mark. If you look back where we see this V shape here that I talk about in previous videos on other crypto assets, since then we've had the gradual growth, and what I love about this is the time it's taken for these support levels to be confirmed. The resistance has been dealt with, and we've moved up to that next level. We couldn't quite get to the 177 before. We had the dip back down, tested that level 150 again, and now we're back up here again testing. So if we can get a close off today, and perhaps over the next 2 or 3 days over that sort of 175 mark, I think that we can definitely start pushing towards that $2, 100%. On the MACD, I'm just going to zoom in here and hopefully you can see that. I'll just double check. It's just this part down here. You see there being multiple crossovers along this chart, but we are starting to see the bulls take control again. So this is really positive. I will do an update on this when we do the drop of the intro video, because I do anticipate in the next 2-3 days for this gap to widen and for that blue line to be making its way above the orange a bit more as well, to get that bullish momentum to the support line of this mechanism here of 175, 177. And push towards that $2. So I just wanted to bring that to the attention. We're in a very strong buy mentality. Across the year has been absolutely phenomenal growth year to date, but the last week and month are extremely positive for this crypto asset, and it's a phenomenal project. I'm really excited about it. I was really pleased to get involved with this project a few months back, before we had the big blast off around sort of April, May time. And maybe, just maybe, we might get a guest appearance from someone that I'm very good pals with, who is a real believer in this project, and we can perhaps get his thoughts on this as well. And we'll go through some price predictions as well. But from a price point perspective, I am expecting this to be trying to aim for a minimum of $5 this year. We'll see how it goes, but we will do a full-on analysis in the next video, as I mentioned. And to mention as well the power of ENJIN. At the moment, currently to date since launch, 2.3 million wallets have been created within the ENJIN platform, and 1.1 listen, 1.1 billion assets have been created in this short space of time using the power of ENJIN blockchain. That is phenomenal. That's why I'm excited, but you'll be even more excited, I'm sure, as am I, when you see the video that we drop in a few days' time. Guys, I'm going to leave it there. Let us know in the comments below if you are invested in ENJ, and let us know what you think about its movement forwards and what you think about the project in general. And we will definitely pull out some really cool comments of yours into the next video as well. So I hope you've found this relatively informative. Please do like the video, it really helps the algorithm, and please do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. And we are pushing towards the 500. Thank you so much for your support, and we will see you and ENJ on the moon. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.